Students, today I will teach the 8th chapter, A Pact with the Sun. Okay, this is from the book A Pact with the Sun. Okay, so let's come back to the chapter now. Shaida's mother had been unwell for a long time. Okay, she complained of cough, fever, and joint pains. So Shaida's mother was there. Okay, Shaida's mother, she was unwell for a long time. She complained of cough, fever, and joint pains. She was treated by so many physicians. But she could not get over her sickness. That means she was not getting well. Okay, she was not getting well after getting treated by the many physicians. So one problem was followed by another. She was kept in a small room with door and windows closed. So one after the other, so many problems were coming, and then she was kept in this small room, okay, where the doors and windows are closed. She could not get cool fresh air and warm sunshine. She was not able to get cool fresh air and warm sunshine. Okay. Her condition became critical. She was too poor to consult a specialist. But life, after all, is more precious than money. You know that, okay? So she sold all her ornaments to pay the doctor's fees. She sold all her ornaments for the treatment. He prescribed some medicines. The doctor prescribed some medicines. But he advised the lady to shift to a bigger room, keep her doors and windows open, and spend an hour morning in the courtyard. Okay, so the doctor prescribed some medicines, and also he advised that lady should be shifted to the bigger room. Okay, that lady should be shifted to the bigger room, and the door and windows of that room should be open, and at least 1 hour she should spend in the sunshine, okay, in the courtyard during the morning. Okay, so she needed sunshine and fresh air as much as medicines. So along with the medicines, fresh air and sunshine also is needed very much. She acted on the doctor's advice. Now finally she acted on the doctor's advice. Okay, so it so happened that the clouds hid the sun in the sky. So that day what happened? The clouds hid the sun, okay, in the sky. It happened so for 2 more days. Okay, it took for 2 more days. So Shaida, the little girl, was worried. The Shaida was worried too much. In her secret language, she talked to the rays of the sun to help her sick mother with warmth and brightness. Her prayer was granted. Finally. Okay. Next day, the sun rays got ready to go down to the earth. The sun got ready to go down to the earth, but their father, the sun, asked them to cancel their journey. The clouds were thick, dark, and dirty, but the rays stacked a revolt. The rays, okay, they are fighting now. Stacked a revolt, that means, okay, they started fighting with the thick, dark, and dirty clouds. They made their way through the thick clouds. Now they got the way, okay, and reached the old lady's bed. The sunshine, warmth, it reached the old lady's bed. She felt the warm sun on her body after a long time. Now she felt the warm sun after a long time. She breathed in fresh air. Okay, she breathed in fresh air. She felt fresh, strong, and well. She recovered fully in a few days. Okay, after getting the warm sunshine, fresh air, cool air, she recovered fully and she became all right. Okay, students, so this lesson is over. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you have understood it. Okay.